Hi guys. So today I'm going to speak about installing Apache APISIX on Windows 10. So what is Apache APISIX? Apache APISIX is a dynamic real-time high-performance API gateway. It provides rich traffic management features such as load balancing, dynamic upstream, canary release, circuit breaking, authentication, observability, and more. You can use Apache APISIX to handle traditional north-south traffic, as well as east-west traffic between services. So how do you install Apache APISIX on Windows 10? You need the following. You need Docker installed, Windows subsystem for Linux, and get a command line interface. So let's get to it. So you'll head over to this link, which I'll link in the description, to install Docker Desktop on Windows. Click on this button over here, and it will install Docker Desktop for Windows. I already have that installed. Next, you'll need Git for Windows. I also have that installed here. I'll also link the link in the description. And this is Git bash. I already have that installed. And head over to the documentation for Apache APISIX. And let's get to installing it now. So copy this link. I'll save it to my documents folder. Paste it to install the Docker image on your computer, to download the Docker image, that is. Once that is done, you cd into the example folder, copy that again, paste it. Now we are in the example folder or directory. Now we run this command to install Apache APISIX. Paste that in. It will take some time to install depending on your internet connection. And so once that is done, we only have one more command, and the APISIX will be installed. So I'm going to pause this here, then come back once it is done. One thing I also forgot to mention was you need the Windows subsystem for Linux installed as well. I'll link the link in the description as well. Okay, now the installation is complete. We need to run this command here, this call command here. Copy this. And in here, you can see that Docker APISIX is running, the Docker container. So let's paste this. Let me just add this. Yes. And here you can see that we have a running instance of Apache APISIX on our computer. So that's it, guys. For any questions, you can comment in the comment section below. Thanks.